So let's get into some of the questions that I haven't gotten to. Now, when we're doing basic Qigong work with your vital breathing, some people are experiencing side effects of headaches, overheating, irritability. They can't sleep. This basically means you're holding energy inside your body, and we want to get that energy out of the body. So when you finish a training session, you'll first go through a cycle. You'll build energy, and then you'll burn the energy. So use that energy in an activity that you're doing. And this is your standard process. You know, if you're going to be doing some 10-second sprints and chain punching, for instance, you might build air element or fire element or both, and then you'll burn that energy during the sprint. And then you repeat. You recover, you recharge, and then you do the exercise. And the exercise metabolizes the energy, puts it into the elasticity of the body. It charges the cells with energy and power, and it adds to the energy memory and the physiology of a powerful body. Now, if people build energy and don't do anything with it, that energy's got to get out. It's got to escape. So the energy is going to try and find a route out. And in order to minimize this side effects like the headaches and overheating, irritability, moodiness, and the energy basically trying to burn itself up, that's excess, you use the energy, or when you finish, you load it into something like an amulet. You put the amulet in, if you're right-handed, put it in your left hand, put your right hand on top, and then guide all that energy you've just worked with, or the leftover energy from the workout, and seal it into your amulet. The next time you train, you're going to take all that energy out of the amulet, absorb it into your body, and train with it. So this way you get much more energy efficiency, you feel better, and you have a nice open sense of well-being in relation to your Qigong experience. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.